That's right, I'm back. More about woofers. Well, like I said, woofers come in many sizes, shapes, colors, formats, and there's probably more woofers and more types than I could talk about at any given time, but I'm going to try to go over as many types as I can to help inform you, the consumer, on what to look for. Woofers come in many different price ranges. I've seen woofers for as little as $1 a piece, and then there's woofers that are in excess of $30,000 to $50,000. In the 12-volt world, the average woofer that you're going to run into probably run around $69 to $59 a piece. But you're not going to get a whole lot of power handling, and you'll probably get a woofer that's going to suit your needs. But for the more massive, high-level SPL or sound quality woofers, probably will spend anywhere between $200 and some change on up. And you'll find some actually really good deals on woofers that do the same job, in the same aspect, for around $150 to $100, $160. But let's go into some more design specifics on different woofers. We went over some basic design formats on cast basket woofers. They're stamp basket woofers. A stamp basket woofer is a woofer like this, where although this one looks like a cast basket, it's just made out of stamped metal. It has a powder-coated basket, and so it looks a lot better. But woofers come in many different sizes and shapes. There's, like I said, there's the standard conventional woofer, but then we also have very flat woofers. Flat woofers are the new line of woofers that are available for the last 5 or 6 years that allow people with absolutely no space to put a woofer underneath their seats and their spare tire wells. It's a lot of new technology. It's not fully developed yet, but it's on its way to becoming the mainstream in factory integrations on vehicles that cannot accept woofers. But we'll go over some more different technologies here in a moment.